Hello guys, how are you? My name is Rudal Kumar and welcome to my channel Tech Ninja. So today we will learn intro to applab in English. So we will learn coding in code.org. So we have to make this screen green. How we can drag, this is called workspace and this is called toolbox. We can drag anything into workspace, and workspace is the coding area, toolbox is the helping area. So set property changes everything. Set property changes anything we select. So this is screen 1, you can see id screen 1, and we have to change background color. There are other many options like background color, image icon color. So we have to select background color and set the background color to green. I think this is green. What have I done? I have done a mistake. So instead of red, I will change to green, and this green block I will remove. So we are done. So we will continue. There's a rumble in the floor, so get prepared for war. When it hits, it'll knock you to the so we have to make this text bigger and blue. So its ID is label 1. Here, when I put my cursor, below there is ID and label 1. So we have to make it bigger. So we will need two set properties, one for text color to blue and other for set property to text color. Instead of text color we will use when we get started, man, we ain't gonna stop. We gonna turn it out till it gets too hot. Text sing, hey, yo. Font size. Font size to 80. Font size to 80. And it's done. And then I will click on finish. And this is puzzle 4. Make the buttons red and blue. So we have to make the red button to color change to red and blue to blue, and instead of write code to change my text, we will write welcome to my app. We will need 3 set properties because we have to set property to of 3 things. First to level 1 text to welcome to my app. And this is button 1. Button 1 background color to red. and button 2 background color to blue. And this is done. As you can see, same to here. This is example, and we'll click on finish. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Tech Ninja. Its name is Tech Ninja, and please subscribe to the channel and like this video and check other videos. I make very useful and advanced apps like chatbot assistant, KBC quiz app, and many other doctor help apps. Check out my channel please and subscribe. So let's start. When we click on this greenify button, ID is big button. When we click on this big button, I will show you something. This is called on event. On event means when. On in programming language it is called on event, and in simple language it is called when. So in simple language I will show you. When big button click, this is called when big button click function. Function means what will be done if big button is clicked. We have to write it here. When big button is clicked, we have to write it here. So when big button is clicked, screen 1 background will change to green. And we have done. Always remember, on event means when. Finish. And we are going to puzzle 7. I show you. This is my channel. Okay, we will choose bear sound. Animals, bear. Okay. The monkey sound, tiger sound, horse sound, and this is sound. We need to okay. Okay, we have finished making. Okay, we will now study about design mode. Design mode is so useful in applab. In this design mode, we can design our apps. So I don't want to waste time and skip this to design mode. So guys, this is design mode. So we can make our app more attractive using design mode. So we have to create a button right. So we can also copy left. We can also duplicate left. In text, instead of left, right. And we have done it. Click on finish. Create a new screen called right screen. We can create it by click on this drop down and click on new screen, and ID will be right screen, and we have to drag a label which will say you went right, and font size we will change to 40 and a little between of the name. You went right. Okay, we will click on finish. This screen switches to right screen when user clicks right button. Okay, I understood. When right button one clicked, we will change to right screen. Screen will be set to right. So we can do it by on is ID of this is button one, click set screen to right right screen. So when left button click, we will go to left. When right button click, we will go to right. And the last, so add more screen button text option to your app. You can do it by yourself. Okay, I will I will I will set the link in description of this project, and you can add more labels, more buttons. You can see math option, controls, if button, variables, There are different options in design. There are also different options: canvas, image, screen, text area, chart, slider, photo selector, radio button, checkbox, text input, drop down button, chart, many of them. And there are many ID, text, width, height, x position, y position, text color, background color, font family, font size, text alignment, center, right, image, border width, border color, model, depend on depth. So guys, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Like and subscribe my channel if you like this video. And there are also some parts missing of this video which I have cut. So bye guys. And in next lesson we will learn about multi-screen apps.